What's going on, guys? CHRGITUP here outside of my garage, which is obviously still being built, still being done. This is just an update. I don't know what update this is, but this is just an update. The outside is done. We got the second floor of the house, not the garage, of the house. I know some of you guys think I'm doing a two-story garage. I'm not doing a two-story garage, although I would love it. But yeah, it's extension of the house from there to there, and that's gonna be the master suite. Anyways, so yeah, we are currently at a standstill right now. Got some approvals to get redone for the front. We ran into some structural issues. As you can see, there's a bunch of beams here and here. Yeah, drawings were incorrect. Had to get those redone. Anyways, that's just an update on my end, but we are currently just waiting on the framing to get continued on for the outside of the house, and then we can continue everything inside. But for now, nothing else has changed with the garage. All right, guys, just an update. Back in the car, and I just thought this would be kind of funny. Since it's Movember, I'm gonna leave you guys with a stash. Anyways, till the next one, guys.